go! Short. SM7B. Lit. It's lit. You know me. I want to do the best of the best for you. Someone actually bought me all this stuff. It's crazy. I can't wait to start using it. And hello, today on Chatterbox. Joey X3. Yeah, you get used to that. You get used to that. How'd you get used to that? This thing is sturdy. Huh. I should read the instructions. It's heavy. And sticker. Already put it on my laptop. I'm gonna have a lot of stickers by the end of the end. Yeah. Alright, let's get this started. I got this stand for my sister. Shout out. What's her name? Babe. Oh yeah, Nicole. Shout out to Nicole. Alright. Wow, I'm so hot. And then with the Shure SM7B, we have these HD 280 Pros. I'm gonna put the link in all the description. My description is gonna have the link to all of this, just in case y'all want to start. Cool. And I'm gonna tell you who put me on with all this stuff. I'm gonna shout out to him. Shout out to him. I'm gonna break it. Alright. So that's multi-step. Okay. Wow, these are sturdy. A little too small for my head. Okay. Hello. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is gonna be feeling professional. None of this is connected, and the sound that you're hearing now is directly through my iPhone 10X Max. Thank you, Apple. Amazon Basics. Shout out Jeff Bezos for the Amazon Basics. That's gonna be me. Huh. So this one goes here like so. Alright. Hopefully this works. And now for audio interface UR22C. If you can see. Steinberg. Look at that. This is a lot of knobs and tubes that I gotta learn to use. But let's get using it.